Hello, good evening. Welcome to our tutorial on publishing a simple WordPress post. For WordPress, if you want to author your blog, be in charge of your blog, you'd want to use WordPress as your blogging platform. Well, we have a few others like Blogger from Google's platform and all of that, but this is really user-friendly and pretty straightforward. So today we're just going to show you part one of this lesson. Should just show you how to post a basic post with WordPress. When we set up your WordPress blog on your domain, you would have you'd work from the cloud, you work on the internet. But right now you can see that I'm working with my local host. You can see that my address right now is on my system. I deployed WordPress on my system, but it's the same thing. When we set up your WordPress site, you'd also have everything here on the cloud, and you have everything I'm doing here on the cloud as well. So let's take a look at how we go about it. So for me to access my WordPress dashboard, I need to first log in. First of all, if you were on the internet, all you needed to do was access the domain where your WordPress has been hosted. For an instance, www.whereverit.com. This, if I had a domain where I hosted my WordPress platform on, then once I click on OK, it's going to take me to my WordPress dashboard. But in this case, I'm working on my local host, so I can access it directly from here. I'll just do this like I was putting my internet address, and yeah, I come. Sorry. I wasn't supposed to do that. I come to my local host. You can see that I have a link where I can log in to the back end as an admin. I just added wp-admin. I'm going to click enter. It's going to take me to my WordPress back end where I could log in. Well, my username and password, I had created it already. So you would also, when we set up your site for you, you would also have this. You would have your username and your password. In this case, I'm going to use the username I set up, which is Brandeet. I already made my system remember the password. But yeah, you could just put in the password that you created for yourself. Okay, and we click on remember me to make your logins easier from subsequent times. Okay, so I'm going to click on login, and you can see it's loading. So it's going to take me to my dashboard. As you can see, now I'm on the back end of my WordPress site, while the front end users are saying something differently. So today's lesson is basically going to teach us how to just post a basic WordPress post. We don't want to know how all these other things work. We're going to come up with other tutorials for subsequent times where you would learn advanced WordPress. But for now, we just want to know, teach you how to be in charge of your blog. You're going to post content, images, text, videos, whatever you want, whatever is part of your imagination. Just put it out there for the world to see. So here, this is what we're going to do. You can see on your dashboard you have a couple of tabs, options that you can use to customize what you want on your site, but we won't go that far. We just want to work with WordPress posts today. So before we go ahead to posting content, I just want to show you what the site would look like. Now, assuming your client went to the site www.wherever it is, remember, when they see it, they're going to see the front end. They're not going to see what you are seeing. So in this case, I'm just going to go to my site, and this is what the clients see. Don't forget, this is for the clients, and this is what I see from the back end. However, you can see that this is a site I've already built using WordPress on my local host. Any which ways, we're going to focus on just the blogging section of my site. So you can see that, don't worry, that's a little network glitch. Okay, fine, we're back on. Now from the site here, you can see that I have a couple of posts already. You can see latest post, why e-commerce is important for your business. You can see some other posts about UPS and rebranding. You can see Burberry rebranding. Now these are posts that were already made before today. What we're going to do is we're going to add a new post. Now when you are authoring your blog, don't forget that you're going to have to always be posting frequently. So the most recent comes on top of the other. Well, I'm just going to show you how to go about that. Now you can see that my latest post was why e-commerce is important for your business. However, today we're going to add a new post to your site. So you can see post, and you see flyer option, all post, add new categories, tags. Don't worry about the rest. We'll go there in subsequent lessons. For now, we just want to teach you how to add a basic WordPress post. So I'm just going to say add new, and it's going to take me to my interface where I'm going to add a new post. It's pretty simple. I mean, if you know how to use a computer, it's just click, drag and drop. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new post. Now this is saying I should enter my title. That will be the title of my post. So I'm going to say WordPress is really cool. Now that's going to be my title. I know it doesn't really sound right, but it's okay for the purpose. So don't forget that's my title. Now I'm going to add content, the text. What do I want to write about? What do people want? What do I want people to know? That's what I'm going to add in my paragraph. I'm just going to say, hey, it's like Microsoft Word. I am using WordPress. Sorry about that. WordPress, and it is so cool. Check us out. Now you can see that we have other icons just like your Microsoft Word or any Microsoft package you have. You can highlight the text, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, you could add a link to it. You could do basically so much with just this interface, but for now this is how we're just gonna add a post. Now you've done the basic work for posting. I mean, this is the skeletal work, but I mean, in real life, no post is really going to be this simple. You have to add pictures to it, or maybe a video. So for today, I'm going to show you how to add a picture to your post. So you can see a button here which says add media. I'm going to add media right now. You can see from my media library there are a couple of options that I've uploaded already while creating my site. Well, you don't need to use this. You might not have this on yours. So you could just go to upload files so that you select the picture you wish to use. So you can see drop files anywhere to upload. So I could just go to select files. I'll choose a picture I want. Let me see. How about okay, this little guy here with the thumbs up. I think he looks cool. Okay. So yeah, you see that my image has uploaded to my WordPress site. The title doesn't really make sense, so I could just change it to have relationship with what I'm saying. I'm saying cool. Yeah, he's cool. You can see his thumbs up, right? And then my caption, I could say WordPress is cool. I mean, you could do whatever you want. You could say whatever you want. It's your site, don't forget. But always have it to relate with the content, with what you're doing. It also helps with site optimization, with your search engine optimization as well, SEO. The same thing with your description. You could just put the same thing, WordPress is cool. And then when I say insert into post, you're going to see that beautiful picture has been inserted into my post. In this case, it's been put below my post, but don't forget, it's just like Microsoft Word. I could cut this out. If I want it on top, I cut this out, you know, I bring it below my picture and I paste it. It's the same thing. Any which ways, I just change the position of my site, and that's my post. And then I could publish it. Yeah, so I hit the publish button, and you can see it loading about here, and now yeah, it's uploaded already. Now you can see post is being published, and I can even view my post. I mean, WordPress is really friendly. So I'm just going to right click and view this post to see that it worked correctly. And yeah, you can see that WordPress is really cool. That's my title. And you can see my very handsome young man, and you can see the content that I put. Now, how easy does that get? It's really, really simple. Just so you understand how this works, if you go to blog section now, you'll see that it has updated your blog. Sorry about this. Yeah, it has updated your blog, and you can see that it's been added to the other posts that have been posted previously. So now you can see WordPress is really cool, and then when you click on it, it gets you to your content. So this is what happens when you intend to author your own content. You don't have to have technical knowledge in building a website from scratch. You can just do this all on your own. I hope this was helpful, and always keep tuned to our resources page on our website, www.brandeetonline.com.ng. You'll always get new tutorials pushed up every now and then. Don't forget to check out. Thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful. Bye bye.